Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Khalid Mahmud. We are learning AutoCAD is made simple and fun. In today's video, I will learn how to create these exercise 14 step by step in AutoCAD. Even you are a beginner, by the end of this video, you will able to create this drawing with an easy way. So don't forget to download the PDF link in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the workspace. Open AutoCAD and ensure your units are set in millimeter. You can type units, UNITS units, press enter and set as a millimeter. Now press OK. Now step 2. Creating the oval cutout. As you see in this picture, this one is oval. Now we are going to create this one. As you see, for the first oval, start by the drawing two circle with a radius 12.5 and second radius it will be 7.5. So C4 circle, click on point of your screen, press 12.5. Now again create a second circle, C4 circle, radius 7.5. As same as select this circle, CO for copy, put and downside as a 30. Now draw two lines, start from the outer quadrant circle to outer circle quadrant point as same as inner. Now L for line, click on quadrant point to quadrant point as same as for inner. Also repeat for both this side. Use the trim command to remove extra part from the oval. TR, enter. T for cutting edge, select these cutting edges, press enter. Click on your extra part, trim. As same as for inner, this one and this one, also this one and this one. Okay, so first oval almost complete. Second this one. If you see in this picture, so from this oval to this oval distance, it will be 80. So you can use copy command for copy this object from here to here. Okay, so now select this oval, CO for copy command, click on first point, put a value as a 80, press enter. Now you see both oval are created successfully. Now step 3, create the outer shape. As you see in this picture, this one is outer shape and also this one. Start a drawing as a horizontal line from here to here. Now draw two circles. First radius it will be 10 and second it will be 20. So now C4 circle, click on center point, radius as a 10. Again click on center point, radius as a 20. Select both circle. If you analyze from here to here, to upside this circle and downside this circle, and total distance is 180. So you can use a divide command, 118 divided by 2. Whatever your value, put it here. So aim for move, upside it will be 59, press enter. As same as select this both circle on from opposite side, so you can use copy command, first point to downside it's 118. Yeah, otherwise Control Z, you can use mirror command, MI for mirror from center point to just like no. So whatever you want you can use. Now we delete this one. Step 4, create the rounded arc. As you see in this image, you see this one is a rounded curve. So how can we create? Use a circle command as a tangent circle. So go to draw tab, click on here, you can check tangent radius. Otherwise you can activate shortcut C for circle, TTR, enter. First this circle, second this circle, put a value as 100. Now TR double enter, trim this one, select these rounded curves using mirror command from this center point to this point. Again TR double enter, trim to extra part. Select all these outer shape using mirror command, MI for mirror from center point to center point. Click on no. Now select this supporting line and erase. If you check, you almost complete your drawing. So step 5, adding the dimension. Before adding this dimension, select all your drawing, go to properties and add line thickness using line thickness. 0.30 is enough. Now add your dimensions. So DLI for dimension linear command from this point to this point. For DRA for dimension radius, you want put that here. DLI for dimension linear command from this point to this point as a 40, and from here to here as a 80. Now again DRA for dimension radius command put at 100. Now step 6, final touch, and check with your image properly. So that's all. You have just completed exercise 14 in AutoCAD step by step. I hope this tutorial make it easy for you to follow along. So don't forget to download the PDF file from the description box for practice purposes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friend. For more tutorial, also share your thoughts and questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.